Court calls the case, People versus Chloe Whitsett.
Edward Drukas on behalf of Chloe Whitsett, who is approaching, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm dismissing my court-appointed attorney and representing myself.
Okay, start with this. What's your name?
Chloe Whitsett.
Okay. And you're intending upon representing yourself in this matter?
At this time, yes, Your Honor, I am. I am dismissing the court-appointed attorney at this time, yes.
Okay, what's going on?
Until my family and I decide what law firm we are going to choose, I will be representing myself.
Okay, all right. So you need time to seek a attorney?
Well, not really, but I have a request at this time as I am representing myself.
And right away, we have a courtroom battle over representation. Chloe wants to dismiss her court-appointed attorney and speak for herself, but the judge is making one thing clear. She can't simply declare it and move on. The court has to determine whether she understands what she's doing and how the case will proceed. Would you feel comfortable representing yourself in a criminal case, or would you always want an attorney beside you?
Well, not until such time as I relieve Mr. Drukas.
Okay, thank you.
That's what I'm trying. I have not done so.
Okay.
So I'm trying to figure out what the issue is and what you're intending upon doing.
Dismissing the court-appointed attorney and representing myself.
Okay.
I'm sorry. At this time, I can't make it any clearer, and I don't understand.
You're not making it very clear to me at all.
Okay.
You're not listening.
I'm confused.
Just talking. Are you going to hire an attorney?
Yes.
Or are you going to represent yourself?
Today, Your Honor, I'm going to represent myself. If my request is denied by you, then I will be hiring an attorney. I can't make it any clearer than that.
So if I relieve Mr. Drukas, you're going to represent yourself?
Yes, sir.
So if they set it for a preliminary examination, you're ready to go?
This is I'm representing myself today. I don't know what all happens today, but I'm talking to the judge without the court-appointed attorney.
No, ma'am.
Okay, well, I don't.
Listen. Don't you dare just lean on my podium and pretend like that.
And now the situation has officially gone from disagreement to courtroom disruption. The judge is warning Chloe about her behavior at the podium, and that's important. Even if you have a legitimate complaint about your lawyer, the courtroom still has rules about how you address the judge and conduct yourself. The judge isn't just managing the case here, he's managing the courtroom itself. And clearly, patience is running thin.
Not here. Okay, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pass the matter because if you come back up and start banging your nails on that podium, you're going to be going with Mr. Allen. You may have a seat. Don't shake your head at me. Oh. Mr. Allen, might want to have a conversation with her and tell her that she better check herself before she comes back up here. Thank you, Mr. Drukas. Okay, so who wants to go next? Christian Philippe. The case, People versus Whitsett.
Apologies on behalf of people.
And Edward Drukas on behalf of Chloe Whitsett.
Your name.
Chloe Lucinda.
Apologies on behalf of my client for earlier. I did have an opportunity to speak with her during that break and go over the process.
Here's the interesting part. After the break, the defense attorney comes back with a completely different strategy. Chloe wants a new lawyer, but until that happens, her current attorney is still trying to protect her interests by obtaining discovery and the courtroom videos and asking for more time. That's exactly what competent representation can look like behind the scenes, even when the client and attorney aren't seeing eye to eye.
So where we are, what's going on right now, she did tell me that she would like to obtain a new attorney. So in the meantime, I can assist her with getting a copy of the discovery, getting a copy of the videos, which I don't have yet. I was going to be asking for an adjournment today to obtain those. So ultimately, I'd be asking for at least a 2-week adjournment. And I talked to her about her behavior in court, and I think that she has an understanding of that and will abide by anything the court orders her to do. So with that, I'd be asking for an adjournment of today's hearing.
Is all of that correct, Ms. Whitsett?
Your Honor, I would like to apologize. I had complete zero understanding, but yes, that is correct.
Ms. Whitsett, let me tell you something. I should have locked you up. You're lucky that I just took a deep breath and said, I don't know what's going on. I'm just asking her questions. And you come in here, I don't think we've ever seen each other. And you just come in here disrespecting me in this court. And I'm going to tell you something else. That man standing beside you right now, it's the only thing that saved you from going to jail. I had pretty much made up my mind that when I came back out here because of what you had done, you were gone. So while you may...
That is a brutal reality check from the bench. The judge is essentially saying that Chloe's own courtroom behavior had put her in serious danger of being jailed for contempt, and the attorney standing beside her helped prevent that outcome. So, ironically, the lawyer she wanted removed may have just protected her from the immediate consequences of her own actions. Do you think the judge was justified in coming down this hard, or was the warning excessive?
may not want him representing you. He just saved you. But remember one other thing. Funny thing about judges, we have exceedingly long memories. You come in here acting...
And there's the final warning. The judge is making it crystal clear that today's behavior won't simply disappear from memory. Judges have broad authority to maintain order in their courtroom, and repeated disrespect or disruption can lead to sanctions, including contempt in appropriate circumstances. The message is simple. Whatever frustration Chloe has with her attorney, the next hearing needs to look very different.
Like that on the next day, I'm not even going to ask any questions. You are just going to go. Are we clear?
Yes, Your Honor.
April 11th, 2024, 9 a.m.
So the hearing ends with the bond continuing and another court date set. But the real takeaway is how quickly courtroom behavior can change the entire tone of a case. Chloe came in wanting to fire her attorney and represent herself, but by the end, that attorney was being credited by the judge with helping keep her out of jail. Was this a wake-up call, or do you think the conflict between Chloe and her attorney is only beginning?
Your invite indicates it's time the defendant's bond will continue.
Thank you.